Collegium concern over Central's delay on judges' appointment. The Supreme Court Collegium has voiced concern over the Central's withholding for overlooking the names recommended for appointment as judges, saying that disturbs the seniority of the candidates and asked the government to take necessary action for elevation of those recommended earlier. The Collegium, headed by Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, said a notification for the elevation of persons recommended earlier in point of time should be issued at the earliest. The Collegium voiced its concern in a resolution dated March 21 in which it recommended the names of four district judges for appointment as judges of the Madras High Court. The Collegium, which comprises Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul and K.M. Joseph, recommended the names of R. Shaktivel, P. Dhanawal, Chinnasamek Kumarpan, and K. Rajshekhar. By its resolution dated in 17 January 2023, the Collegium of the Supreme Court recommended the appointment of Sri Ramaswamy Neelakandan, an advocate practicing before Madras High Court as a judge of the High Court as on March 31st, 2023. Sri Ramaswamy Neelakandan was 48 years of age while Sri K. Rajshekhara on that date was 47 years old of age. Sri Neelakandan, who is a member of the bar, has been recommended earlier in point of time and must be appointed before Sri Rajshekhara is appointed. Otherwise, Sri Rajshekhara, who is a judicial officer and younger than Sri Neelakandan, would rank senior to Sri Neelakandan. Such a deviation in seniority would be unfair and against the settled convention. The resolution said the Collegium said that while recommending the name of Rajshekhara for elevation, it is of the view that his appointment should be notified after the appointment of Neelakandan is notified. The Collegium is of the considered view that necessary action for the issuance of a notification for the elevation of persons who have been recommended earlier in point of time should be taken at the earliest, including the name of Sri R. John Saitan, which has been reiterated by this Collegium on 17 January 2023. The names which have been recommended earlier in point of time, including the reiterated names, ought not to be withheld or overlooked as they disturb their seniority, whereas those recommended later still march on them lose of seniority of candidates recommended earlier in point of time has been noted by the Collegium and it's a matter of grave concern, the Collegium stated.